What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. As you see, we got Adam here. You should know him. He's got a lot of subscribers all of a sudden. You guys go check out his video. I'll put his link in the description below. We're at Cars and Cantina again. It's actually sunny this week, or this month rather, and there's a lot of cool cars coming in already, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Okay, so look at the yellow on the headlights. This looks really cool. I really like that a lot, actually. And you got the nice blue. I love the color of blue on this. And look at the wrap. Canards on that thing. Insane. Look at this Alpha. I love it. I love the color. These are actually completely different colors. I don't know exactly what they're called. This looks more cherry red than that one, but this one could be cherry red. I'm not exactly sure. This one also has the black roof and this one doesn't. But look. Carbon fiber. Very well done. I like it. Yeah, it's RG. Look at this. I love the stripes on this GT3. Yeah, this is a GT3 Touring, so it will not have the big one. But I love the yellow brake calipers. It looks really good. There's a GTB. There's a difference between a GTB and the GTO. Don't exactly know what it is, but it's got a V12 with lots of horsepower. I really like this interior though. I love the yellow stitching. It's absolutely amazing. It's got carbon fiber in the headrest right there. So this guy, the Garda right here, he just took delivery of it like a couple of weeks ago. I think a week ago. It wasn't long anyway. He just started a YouTube channel. He's got 2 videos up. I will put the channel description in the link below. It's Ford GT, guys. I love the red stripe. It's got gray on red, and it looks so good. I like it. It's in race mode right now. Ah, here we go. The big boys are coming in. Okay, so tell me, why do Sennas sound like this? Why do they make that sound? So look at this. You've got it in Transformers mode for a millionth time. Exposed carbon fiber is the entire body. This car is hand built, and look at that interior. Look at that. That's gull wing. Not gull wing. This is gull wing. This is butterfly. License plate looks really good. Huh? That was nice. Wow. Sorry for the music, but look at the interior of the 600 LT. Look how thin the seats are. That's insane. Carbon fiber and orange strap seatbelts. I love it. Double. Hey. How are you, man? Oh yeah. Definitely this one. Alright. I love these guys. Follow him. Follow him also. Jaguar. Follow this guy. These 2 guys are awesome. Oh, he's gonna hit a cone. Classic Mustang. Alright guys, so subscribe to Rev to Redline. This is his car. It's super fast. I'll see if I can put a clip in of what he did a couple months ago. So yeah, he almost spun out. It was great. He's a really cool guy. His channel's pretty awesome. I'll put a link to him in the description below. White body Mustang. Chad, if you're watching, do this to your Mustang. That's new. God! Holy crap! Oh, look at this, guys. Loaded? What is this? Civic. It's got HDMI for an exhaust. Oh wow, bug eye. That's clean. Modern head. What's it gonna do? Oh! Oh, that was awesome. Yeah, after that, I don't think the cops like that. You missed that entire shot. Oh! Alright, so just to flex on all the people, this is a Ford GT 2019. You got a Pagani Huayra, a Senna, and LaFerrari. These three are owned all by the same guy. This guy is separate, but it still looks so good. Alright, of the four, which one would you take? I think I would take the Senna. Just look at the interior on this thing. This is insane. This is completely different than a lot of the other McLarens, except for the 600 LT. Look at that pad right there, the wheel, the steering wheel is so small. Look how thin these seats are as well, just like the 600 LT. Here goes 720. This Adam's Charger. He just bought it. Alright, nice. That's pretty good. So that's Adam's Charger. He just got it. Go check out his channel. I will put it in the description below. And that'll wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to do to follow me on YouTube. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.